lot of people think you need ads or website to make money with affiliate links on Google, but that's not true. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to promote affiliate links on Google for free and get targeted traffic from people who search for what you will start promoting. No paid ads, no coding, just a simple strategy that works. Stay till the end because I'll reveal step-by-step method to start getting clicks and commissions today. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and more. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Google, so make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and just in the last 7 days, as you can see over here, I made $6,597 in commissions with free traffic. So for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using Google, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down again over here, go to company, scroll more and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn with each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. We will start promoting services and I'll share with you step by step how you can do it. It's super easy. So first, how you can create an affiliate account. You guys just need to click here on join now, okay? And you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, okay? And choose your country, your location. It doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country. You can start from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country. Just search for your country from here. And if you and choose your language from here. And if you have Skype account, you guys can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard and you should see here your commissions, your clicks, CTR, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to start promoting services on Google. But first you need to start promoting services that people will be interested to buy from you. So how we can find good services that people will be interested to buy from you? You guys need step number 3. You will go to Google, okay? Go to Google and search for clothing stores near California, USA. You can target clothing stores from United States or United Kingdom or Canada or Australia or Germany. Those countries will be a profitable countries from you that you can target clothing stores businesses and they will be interested to buy this service that I will share with you, okay? Search for clothing stores. For example, I searched for clothing stores near California, USA. I will scroll down and I have here place, okay? And you will find a lot of clothing stores in United States on Google here. So what you will do next, I will click here on more place. I need to choose a good clothing store that will be interested to buy a service that I will share with you. So for example, we have this one. So how you can choose a good clothing store? Always choose clothing stores that has just few reviews, okay? For example, like this one is ranking and this one is already good. So I need to find like new clothing stores or clothing stores that they don't have a lot of reviews, okay? Not a lot of reviews. For example, like this one, 12,000 reviews. This one is good and it's already doing good. But they will be also interested, but those like this one, but like those clothing stores that has just free reviews, they will be really good for you. So for example, like this one, if we click on this one here, let me show you. If you click on this clothing store name, you will see this bar. And if you scroll down, you guys can see they have a phone number. So if you speak English, you guys can reach out to this clothing store from the phone number, okay? And I will share with you which service you can promote. So first, if you don't speak English, that's fine. Let me show you which stores you can reach out to. Let me scroll down here if we can find a good one. Okay, like this one. You guys can see this one here. This one, Bill of California. They have just for few reviews. This one also here, short story. This one is good and it's open. Let's check this one, guys. So just click only in any clothing store name and you will see this bar. And here you go. This one is good. This one has a website. This clothing store, they have a website. Also, they have a phone number. Okay, you see here, they are from the United States. That's really good. So as I will click on their website like this, just click on their website and here you go. You will be directly in this clothing store website. So what I will do, I will check their website and I will scroll down. I will try to find an email or their social media account so I can reach out to them from their social media account or their email. So I will scroll down. Let me show you. Okay, we have company, about us, we have help, and we have here. Oh, here you go. You see this? They also have social media accounts. Okay, they have Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube, and they have this option, contact us. I'm gonna click on this one so I can reach out to this clothing store website. And here you go. They have email. You guys can see here. Still have question? Email us at they have an email, which is good. If you click on their email, you can send a professional email with your affiliate link with the service that I will share with you to this clothing store. Before we send this email, I will show you what you need to do first. So what we need to do, we need to choose the service that this clothing store will be interested to buy. So you will go back to Fiverr, to your homepage, click on the search for social media marketing. Those clothing stores from any country, they will be interested to buy social media marketing because this service is very important and this service can help them scale their business and get more sales from social media. Okay, and you guys know the power of social media. People are making crazy money from social media. They are promoting people, they are buying products from social media, they are buying services, they are searching for topics and more. So this service, social media marketing, is very important for any clothing store who is selling a product or clothing products offline. They should start using social media marketing. Okay, so how we can choose what you will do next? You need to choose good sellers that can provide a good service for those people and those and give good results for those clothing stores. You need to choose sellers like level 2 sellers and pro sellers and top rated sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. This one, guys, is pro seller, has over 1000 reviews, which is good. Like this one is good. I will be your social media marketing manager and content creator. This one is good. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service, scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see here 9 orders in queue, over 1000 reviews. This seller is pro seller and top rated seller. That's really good. So this seller can do social media marketing for this clothing store, for this one, short story, this one. Okay, so what we will do next, we need to create an affiliate link. So how we can create an affiliate link? We need to copy this seller profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, to your dashboard. Click here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So if you are promoting Fiverr Pro services, this is your affiliate link. Choose this one. You will copy your affiliate link from here, Fiverr Pro. If you are promoting just level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, and top rated sellers, you can copy your affiliate link from here, from this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan, from here. Okay, and this option, you guys can see this option in your Fiverr affiliate account, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I have been doing this business for over 5 years. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, and that's fine for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. You will copy your affiliate link from here. So now you need to promote this affiliate link on Google, okay? But first, you guys can see this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. You guys can go to Google and search for this website. I like to make my affiliate links short links. They look clean and good, okay? I will put just my affiliate link here, and I will click on shorten, and here you go. This is your short affiliate link. What we'll need to do next to promote this affiliate link, we need to create a professional email. So we will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and just ask him, create a professional email that I can send to clothing stores to buy social media marketing service from my website, and you will get a professional email that you can use like this one. You see, this is your subject: grow clothing store with powerful social media. There you can put the store name here. I hope you are doing well, and here you go. You have a good and professional email, and we have everything. Now what we will do next, we will go back to this clothing store website, and we will click on their email here, and here you go. We will go to ChatGPT. We have subject. I will copy this like this. Okay, copy. I will put this subject here. I have the email. I will copy this email. Let me show you. Like this. Copy, and I will put this email here. Paste. Okay. You guys can edit this. So let me see this store name. Short story. Okay. The name of the store is short story. Let me short story. Okay. This is the name of the store, and here you need to put your affiliate link. Okay. Let me show you. So what we will do next, I will remove this here, and I need to put my affiliate link here. I will go back to this website that I used to make my affiliate link short link. I will copy my affiliate link from here, and I will put my affiliate link here so they can check this link from here. Okay, and here you go. This is my affiliate link, and you can see if you have anything that you can edit. Like I said, guys, give it time, edit, make a good email that you can use, and here you go. So what you will do next, you just need to click here on send a message. Okay, and your email will be sent to this. My email was sent to this clothing store. Okay, and that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Google, and you have a lot of clothing stores here. Okay, you have a limited, guys. You have those will be interested. They will not be interested just to buy social media marketing. They will be interested to buy Facebook ads. They will be interested to run ads for those clothing products to make more sales. They will be interested to buy this. They will be interested also to buy Google My. Let me show you. They will be interested to buy Google My Business, which this service will help those clothing stores to rank their clothing stores in the first page of Google, okay, and on Google Map. Okay, they will be interested to buy also this one. It's all about marketing and how do you market those services. You see, like this is what I'm talking, like for example, like this service. You see this one? Let me show you. They will be interested to buy this one. You see, to rank their store in the first page of Google. Okay, so you will go back to Google and you will go and scroll down, go to those stores that are not ranking in the first. Okay, for example, like this one, reach out to those stores and ask them that you can help them rank their stores in the first page of Google. Okay, over here in the first page you will click on more and go to the stores that are not ranking, that are number 20, number 30, number 50. Go to those stores and ask them that they are not ranking. Okay, and you can help them rank their store in the first page of Google. Okay, you guys have a lot of services that you can promote on Google. Okay, and that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Google. Like I said, you have a lot of also focus on those countries. Like I said, guys, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Germany, and you can make a lot of money with just this free method. I shared with you which service you should start promoting. I shared with you where you can find people, businesses who will be interested to buy those services from you. What's left is you. If you can't make commissions like this, the problem is you, because I shared with you everything. You have everything. And if you want to take this business more seriously, I want personally to invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making exactly over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from social media like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting and more. If you have any question, you can also leave it in the comments. And if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. I will put my email address in my description, in my video's description, and see you in my next videos.